Good morning, welcome guys to the new episode from Hades speaking. Today we will be discussing a bit about Ethereum. Ethereum has been gaining some traction over the last days and we are seeing positive market movements. As you can see, we are looking at the market overview from the top 100 market cap tokens. Lots of green, some red, but the most important thing is that we are going up in the majority of the tokens. Worth mentioning, SPX, the meme coin, has gained over 10%. Uniswap has gained almost 9%. A bit of changes here as we see live. Maybe a little bit pullback, small pullback is expected. Tau, the AI token, is in the red, although there are many people very bullish on Tau, so always a good addition to the portfolio. GTO from Solana ranked 93, almost 20%, probably jumped into the top 100, guys. But okay, let's move on to Ethereum. What happened in the last episode? I was speaking about the meme coins. I'll go back to this today. Ethereum is trading at 2,764 USD at the current prices. A chart looks like this. We're looking at the daily chart right here, and as expected, we've met a strong resistance, right? So these 2 days were very bullish. We had a green candle, then we had a very nice pump and reached $2,800 per Ethereum, which wasn't happening since a long time. Last time we saw these prices was in February. So great run up. The market is looking bullish. Let's go on the shorter time frame. Let's look at the 1 hour time frame here, because I marked this yellow zone area and you can see the markings which I did for our time frame. And I was expecting that it could potentially pull back and go back to some support. What I would want to see at this moment is it pulling back somewhere to find support a bit lower, but not to the bottom. You have a good support level here. As you see, lots of trading has been done in this area. There's a strong area where the bulls could step in and get some buys going, and then we could form probably higher low and take the momentum upwards, right? So let's look at this zone. So I also like to look at the EMAs, estimated moving averages. They have this indicator which is showing basically an area, and as you can see, it's often respected as support levels. So here it bounced around this one, here it bounced. So if it's green, usually it will mean that it's an uptrend. But yeah, now it's green again, and as you can predict how it will be happening, the area of spread and where the price can meet the EMA zone would be somewhere here, probably, depending on how quickly we pull back. But yeah, let's say something like this. The zone would grow, right? And then this would be the area to buy around 2,650 for a long position, right? We should have Ethereum in our portfolio. I think it will perform very well in the future weeks and months. Since Bitcoin is already at an all-time high, Ethereum has a lot of room to grow. All-time high is almost, less than 2x from here. It's $4,000, but yeah, why not test the all-time high? Let's get it. But when? Now we're having summer, so summers usually are a bit slower. But after summer, Q4 is usually where the most bullish times come. Looking now at Ethereum to Bitcoin. How does Ethereum to Bitcoin look? So as you can see, we were in a steady downtrend all the way since, let's say, January 23rd, right? So that's crazy. Long time. Several years, over 2 years, in downtrend on Ethereum to Bitcoin pair, but the bottom has been marked in this area. Yeah, it shows the strong bounce here, and I wouldn't be surprised if Ethereum would now start growing in value to Bitcoin. Okay, so taking a look, we have this area we wanted to push above this area of support and resistance, change the resistance into support, and get things going, right, for Ethereum. And with that, always the meme coins are flying. Meme coins and other utility coins, because Ethereum is actually the main chain for utility projects, AI, tools. You have RWA, real world assets, robotics now is a great narrative. So all of these things are built usually by big teams on Ethereum. Okay. Moving on. Yesterday we had some big activity, as I spoke to you about SBET in the last episode, where I introduced my top 5 meme coins on Ethereum for midterm hold. SBET was one of them. Sharply Gaming raised $1 billion to buy Ethereum. Right? Very strong narrative. And many were speculating that the co-founder of Ethereum, Joseph Lubin, has been actually, he's the chairman of this company, SBET, right? So if he's the chairman and he's a big supporter of Ethereum, naturally, as he's the co-founder, things were looking bright. And the meme coin had a great lore, a great narrative. But what happened? As you can see, a big red candle appeared, but it doesn't appear just like that. It happened because, as you can see, this post, Joseph Lubin yesterday, 12 hours ago, just posted this. Token is a pure scam and it has nothing to do with Sharpling Gaming. So, although he was interacting before with the posts and people were tagging him, he didn't even discuss this, right? So he said that you're buying and being set up for a rug pull slaughter, which is interesting, because before he hasn't been complaining at all. Okay, so all-time high. This was the post, and then people were very, very confused. It was very viral. Everyone was flaming him, and he responded to this guy. It's run just like GME. Why are the founders so out of touch? Blah, blah. Okay? You owe the community an apology. And this guy apologized after like 2 hours, right? So then you would see a big candle, green candle here, right? Or here. Like, this was when he apologized, everything was good. So he either bought the dip, or, crypto manipulation is at the finest, or something happened. But yeah, he said that he apologizes and it's cool, so I'm interesting. It's a good lore. It's a good storyline now for SBET. So people are bullish, and we had these coins which I mentioned, SPX, before. This is also a meme coin, like a parody related to the stock, right? It's currently almost at all-time high, which is crazy. Really good token and big whales on board. So people are noticing that SPX is the same company, right? It's obviously a parody meme coin. So now SBET goal is to flip the stock market cap, and that's 2 billion USD. Okay, it's 2 billion USD. 5 days it has been dropping a bit. Here it pumped a lot, 29th of May, and here it dropped. So SBET, guys, is definitely one which can run it up. Very interesting pick. I'll give you one more. I spoke about Joe. I think we spoke about 20 million market cap. Today it already hit 34 million market cap, so that's above 50% gain from 20 million, right? So great trade. If you were active, you were watching my videos, you would have taken the position. You would already make good money because the liquidity is very thick, so you can easily drop good funds there and take the trade. Okay, I still think Joe has some steam. It's a viral meme all over the world, the yellow boy. Okay, so here's the green zone, which would be my first target. take it into consideration. Okay, and now I'd like to introduce you to a new project, Agents Virtual Machine. I'd like to introduce you to this one. As you see, the chart is a piece of beauty, only up, basically currently at 20 million fully diluted market cap. The circulating, I think, is around 8 million or something like that, because many tokens are locked, but yeah, the fully diluted is 20 million. The supercomputer for AI agents, so AI narrative, proven team, strong team who are ready to deliver. They already built a lot. A couple of them are doxed, so their names are public. This is the website, virtual machine that lets agents write, run, and verify code without human help, okay? MCP, AVM. So from agent to execution. Right, so your agents can take care of everything without the user needing to know code. The foundation is here. It's a very cool website. You can read about the project. You can familiarize yourself with the frequently asked questions as well as the documentation. But it's quite an innovative project. They also should have some more information. And here is the platform where you can actually get started and take using of their tools. You would need to connect with Google to sign up, and there you could actually take note. The documentation is also very, very wide, so you can understand how to quick start, use the software developer tools, and get your agents to work without code, so you can create agents for your own tools and tasks to manage stuff for you. So that's it for today. Let's get Ethereum to all-time high very soon. And if you're not following or subscribing, I encourage you to do so you don't miss any of the new episodes. And also drop a follow on my Telegram channel, where I drop the high risk, high reward plays which I take on chain. That's it for today, guys. See you later.